Neck pain is the worst. It debilitates you. It stops you from doing your daily function. I can't work. I am irritated.
If you suffer from neck pain, traction is the answer. Traction pulls the spine away from the nerves causing your pain. Up until now, in order to receive traction therapy, you had to see a doctor repeatedly to get relief, or risk hanging upside down in a very big and expensive machine. But not anymore.
This is Fisher Traction, the revolutionary device providing traction right at home. You can get the exact same traction you would get in a doctor's office, but now you can receive pain relief anytime, anywhere, and it's as easy as lying down.
Dr. Jeff Fisher is a chiropractor who has treated over 300,000 patients with back and neck pain.
Using Fisher Traction is as safe and easy as lying down. As she lays here in traction, the spine is gently pulled off the nerves. Then as she occasionally pulls the release strap, the tension relaxes, which draws fluid back into the discs, rehydrating them, allowing pain relief and repair.
Instantaneously, I feel that decompression in my neck, and with that decompression, my migraine starts to lessen.
Just loop it over the outer doorknob, sit down on the floor and lie back. Now simply feel the pull. You're using your own body weight, so very little strength is needed. This is the fastest, easiest way ever to relieve pain using clinical grade traction anytime, anywhere.
I'm able to manage my pain at home, and I'm smiling again.
Call, go online, or scan this code to order Fisher Traction to relieve your pain. Act now and get a limited time discount and free shipping.
Fisher Traction has helped thousands of my patients, and it can help you too take away your pain within minutes and improve the quality of your life long term.
The sooner you order, the sooner you can receive pain relief with Fisher Traction. If you suffer from back pain, be sure to check out the back version. Order Fisher Traction today and embrace a pain-free tomorrow.